Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are working on an owl. We're going to be carving up a barred owl out of this chunk of black walnut. Hopefully the owl will be here perched on a dead tree. That's the plan. We'll be running chainsaws, power tools, probably a little airbrush work. But yeah, be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all. Let's get started. guys, check it out. Here's the barred owl perched on a dead tree. All one piece from walnut, no glue ups. Let me know what you guys think of the final piece. We airbrushed the mushrooms, color on the rock, airbrushed the bark, the wood color. Did some highlights for the feathers as well, plus the eyes. Fun piece. This is the final carving for this series. I may do more walnut ones in the future of different stuff, but for this series of 5 for the event I have coming up, this is the last one. If you guys want to see these in person plus some of my furniture, you can. I'm going to be in Blue Mountain Lake, New York at the Adirondack Experience, also known as the Adirondack Museum, September 7th through the 8th, 2024. You can Google it, get all your info there. But we'll be set up and we'll be selling more of high-end work. The walnut pieces and the high-end rustic furniture that I create will be on display or for sale, however you want to say it, along with many other builders and artists that are just some really talented people. They'll be there as well with their work. So it's a really is a great event. It's called the Rustic Furniture Fair in Blue Mountain Lake. So look it up, check it out. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all. Let me know what you guys think of this final piece. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you for hitting subscribe. Thanks for being members, supporting the channel and the work that I do. I really do appreciate you guys. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day.